Lieutenant Colonel Henry Gonzalez, Area Commander for the Salvation Army in Travis and Williamson County. When I walked in and saw the Giving Station for the first time, it really blew me away. I was excited to see the finished product, and I'm just amazed. You see the Salvation Army shield, and then in the center you find the iPad, and it's really very convenient for a donor wishing to make a contribution to the Salvation Army. Having the team come and explain how everything is going to work, then I feel very confident that this is a new method for the Salvation Army to do fundraising, not only during the Christmas season, but year-round. Here in Austin, we have several that are on display now at the Red Kettle Kickoff, and we're excited about what they're doing. I'm pleasantly surprised, and people are contributing. It's user-friendly. With the Giving Station, here's a tool that we can use that is, number one, is user-friendly. Number two, it tracks the donor. With the Giving Station, we not only receive a contribution, but we also receive information so that we can get connected with the donor. And it also provides a receipt. So we feel that nonprofits are looking for ways to get connected and stay connected. And we believe using the Giving Station, this gives us that vehicle to stay connected. And again, we're very excited about it, and we believe that this is going to be another way the Salvation Army can raise funds. At the turn of the last century, two young Salvation Army officers thought about a black kettle near where the ships came in. The sailors got off the boat, and as the sailors passed by the pot, they would contribute, and the money that was contained in the pot would go to the orphans and the widows. So these two Salvation Army officers said, well, if it worked in Liverpool, England, it should work here. So they took a red kettle, or rather a black kettle, and painted it red. And then on Christmas Eve, they placed the kettle out, and to their surprise and amazement, the people responded, and they raised sufficient funds that first Christmas to provide Christmas to many, many people in San Francisco. We have a winner, and I believe the Salvation Army in Austin will be able to take advantage of the Giving Station.